Mom, Dad, sister, brother, grandma, grandpa. Let's find grandma and the others. Look, this is Mom Boo, and this is Billy, is Teddy, and this is Grandma, is Umbrella. But what are they? I don't know. Look, ice cream for you. Oh, thank you. This is Mom, is Book. This is Billy, is Teddy, is Rosie, is Kai, is Mom, is Book, is Grandma, is Umbrella, is Grandpa, is Pen, is Dad, is Ba.